If you're looking for a healthy, oil-free snack for iftar tonight, you have to try these banana and Aval steamed cones. They are soft, sweet, and smell amazing. Start with a quarter cup of rice flour, half a cup of roasted rava, and 1 cup of soaked Aval. This combination gives the perfect soft yet firm texture. Now add a cup of fresh grated coconut and 2 blended Nendran bananas for that rich sweetness. Mix in half a cup of jaggery and 4 crushed cardamom pods for that irresistible aroma. Give it a good mix. Our filling is ready. Now, take small pieces of banana leaf, roll them into a cone, and fill them up. Seal the top carefully to lock in all that flavor. Steam these for 10 to 12 minutes. The banana leaf infuses a beautiful earthy scent into the dumplings. Perfect for an energy-boosting iftar or a light suhoor. Make sure to try this for your next iftar. You're going to love it.